So hey guys, welcome back to the channel with an amazing video. This is the Dost Expert Rider, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how I fixed this winglet on my GIXXER SF. So a lot of guys are asking me on the YouTube that how did you fix this R15 winglet on your GIXXER SF? But because there was no any option to mount screws on this winglet to the GIXXER body. So in this video I'm going to show you how did I fix this, and perfectly. There is no like a losing issue or something. So be with this video and let's start. So first of all, I would like to give you a link in my YouTube video description, so you guys can go and buy that buy this winglet from my YouTube video, from my description, from my link. And when you get this winglet, you will see your GIXXER has a mounting screw here, but this winglet has here. So both of those are not going to match each other, so that you can easily put the screw. But so how you will fix it? So what you will need to do first, I added one screw here, one here, and one there. So these are sharp pointed screws. You will need to put these screws on the GIXXER body, this under headlight body, under headlight plastic part. So you will need to take a sharp pointed screw that will go inside this winglet edge. You will see here on the edge and directly into the plastic part. One here, you can see one here and one there. So by this you can fix it. You can see this is properly fitted, no loose issue or something. So it's properly fixed. But one thing you need to keep in mind when fixing it, you will need to find out the center of this winglet. You see the proper distance. This is the center tip, so you maintain a proper distance on the both of these teeth, and then you will see it's properly fitted in front. So this is all about the fitment of this winglet on my GIXXER SF. Then the second thing, most of the people were asking about this mask. So where did I bought this mask? This is not a mask, boys. This is just a tape, black tape I did on the front headlight. You can go any market, any stickering store, any graphic store. You can ask them to do this wrap on your front headlight. So this is very cheap. You can do in 150 or 200 rupees. Just little space is required for that. So, and after that, many of guys are asking for these mirrors. So these mirrors are known as ZX10R mirrors, easily available on Flipkart. You can follow my link through the video, and you can buy these. But to install these mirrors, you will need to do a proper modification and proper adjustments. So for the installation of these mirrors, I will make another video, dedicated video for the installation of these mirrors. But for the today's video, this is all about the fitment related to this winglet. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys understood how you need to fix it. And thank you so much for commenting and giving me new ideas to make some videos, and really appreciate your guys' support. Thank you so much.